Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the gate. Now we're gonna continue working on this. One thing that I just noticed is I messed up with this one. So we need to just pull it up. So let's go to our south elevation. And then it's just simple because we have it sweep, so it will follow along, so we don't need to redo the sweep that we created right here. So you can even use align to just align it properly. And there we go. Also here we need to fix this part right here. There we go. So now every time I do this, I want to double check. So this one's good now. So I think you need to do it in edit mode. And then once everything is done, just click on finish. And as you can see, looks better. And then now, let's go to our ground. We're also going to add some scones right here. Very simple ones that I'm gonna do. So we could actually just do it on our south elevation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to architecture, click on component model in place, scroll down to generic model, and then just press OK on that. Click extrusion, pick a plane, and we want to add it right here. And then we're just going to create something like this. And then we're going to choose a metal material. So I'm just going to use, I'm not going to use that because I might use it or already use it before. I'm just gonna add this. So that's good. Just a small one. And then we're going to add the light. So what we're gonna do, actually go back to south, create more extrusion, pick a plane, and then choose this plane, and then we're going to add this right here, make it 20 depth, make sure it's in the midpoint, and then just add the luminance. So create extrusion, pick a plane, and then this one again, and then look for the luminance. So here the glass, and then I'm just going to add something like this, AL, or maybe I could just do it like that. I think that's good enough. a simple one. And then maybe here I'm just going to do 15. There we go. And then before we click on finish, I'm just going to center this right here at the top and then copy it. I'm going to add one right here and then right here and then in between right here. I think that's good enough. Click on finish, and by adding that, it looks much better. And then let's go to architecture, go to south, and we're going to add in a model text, which is our number right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on that, pick a plane, it will ask you right there, and then just press OK. I know it's too big, but we're going to change that. So edit, duplicate this. This will be our house number. And then you could change the height, maybe 150. You can choose Arial or different kind of font, but we only have this one for now, but I like to just put it in Arial. And as you can see, we have a model text right here. We can change that to number now. So I'm gonna put is 07. That's my girlfriend's birthday. And then we could change this. So the depth, it's up to you. I'm gonna put 50. And then here, another metal material that you haven't used. So apply, okay. So here 50 is too much, so maybe 25 is good enough. And having it like that is good. We can put actually more numbers. My girlfriend's birthday is November 7, so I'm gonna put 1107. There we go. That looks good. I like the way it looks, so I'm happy. Now let's go to our ground level, and we're going to add some grass around. So I think level or floor 3 is the grass. So I'm gonna choose floor number 3, and then I'm going to add it around here. So I'm gonna add it right there and also on this side, because when I'm going to create my scene, I want it to have a lot of trees at the background, as you all know. And then here I'm gonna delete this TR, and I usually give it more space because having a nice background will make it more realistic. So because it's fall in North America, in Canada, in Toronto, so I'm probably going to do a fall background, so the trees are brown and all those. So I'm gonna click on finish and then don't attach. So we have all of this already there, ready. And then after that, let's add in another floor, edit, duplicate, press OK, and then this one, let's edit, and then we will have maybe the street, or actually we need to add street first. So concrete, anything random there, press OK, and then OK. I like it to make it big. You can always edit, it's easier to edit, so I like it big. So I'm going to align it as well, align it right here as well, like that, and then click finish. And then I'm going to add in a sidewalk right here, and then another one, so a sidewalk, and then sidewalk right here, and then grass again here. So I need floor number 3 CS on that so that it's easier for you. As you can see, I like it to make it bigger so that my scene is much better. And then now, so we're going to select this CS, edit type, duplicate, floor 8, and another concrete. Like it to change a bit, so that's why I make sure that all my materials are changed so that it's easier for everyone to select a different one. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit this again. I'm going to make the thickness to be 100 only. Apply, OK, and then here we're going to add this, and then I think it needs to be 100 offset so that it's not over there. This is supposed to be 2500 is good enough. Let me see it in 3D. That's perfect. And then we're gonna curve it. So just give it some, give me a second, CS on that. Here we need to add up to here. This one should be 2500. We could use fillet arc, and it's up to you, 1700, that's fine. I'm going to pull it back a little bit because we're going to add in something there later on, to the point that it is going to be good enough for that part. And then now select everything. We can mirror this so that we don't need to worry about creating it again. And just about where the gate is, so I'm just leaving it like that. And you can pull this one in if you want. A L, you can even align it so it's easier for you. Click on finish, and as you can see, this is the look, but we can make it better. So why not? I'm just going to select this, edit, I just need to know which material, so we're just gonna copy it, and then once you copy it, model in place, and then generic model, press OK, and then another sweep. Pick path, and then pick the edges right here. There we go, right there. And I think that's good enough. Now we just need to click finish, edit profile, and then add the finishing touches. And then here, let's make this one maybe 100. And then we could fillet it at the top right here. Make it 50. And just doing that simple enough. Actually, we're just going to make it a little bit interesting. 105. As you can see, it looks nice now. We have that finished look right there. And then, of course, we're going to do the same thing right here on this side. Pick path. Same thing, just select all of those. Click finish, edit, and yeah, let's not forget this one. And we need to change that on the other side, or else it's going to be glowing there. And then here, let's do 50 like I said. And then click finish, and then finish. And then here, select this, change it, click apply, and there we go. And then obviously we just need to do it on this side. It's gonna be very easy. Just one click right there, go right here, edit, use rectangle, we'll make it 105, this one should be 100, and then fillet arc 50. Okay, so that's looking good. And then before we finish, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a, so let's go to ground, and then here we're gonna create a camera view, and here we're going to fix it. Undo that part. And then you can change it right here, graphic display. What I like to do is to cast in shadows, and usually I use the background gradient. I like the way it looks. You can even change this to realistic if you want, but like I said, this is the materials that we are not gonna use yet, because we're going to change it for sure once we're in Twinmotion. So we could just put it as hidden line setting right there. And the reason that I created this is so that we could go to manage, and then we could make this our starting view. So here the name of this is 3D view number 2. So click on start view, and then what we could do is we're going to select this. So every time we open this, this will be the look that we're going to see first. So I'm going to press that, And that's how simple it is to create a starting view. So click save, and we're gonna continue in the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.